Esther. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw a Plants vs. Zombies Sunshroom. It's a sun producing. First, we're going to draw the mushroom's top part, and second, we draw two lines below, and we draw a curvy line on the bottom. And we can draw the pattern, the circle pattern on top, the head. The circle pattern, you can just draw some small circles, small and big. They can be different size. After you draw the patterns, you draw the eyes. And then you can draw a little mouse. It's a happy mouse. You draw the eyeballs. They're up. They're looking up. Then you use color pencil to color. If it's too dark, add some yellow into the orange. You can also use paint, but make it bigger. So we're coloring. You see how mixing the yellow into orange. Since it's actually orange, you can color it orange. So we're coloring. When you're done coloring, you can just go ahead. Next, we color the eyeballs and outline. Now, we color the orange. But the yellow, just try not to touch the pencil line with the yellow because it's a very light color. I'm just coloring it. You can actually use different color. Use whatever color you like. You don't need to use yellow or orange. You can use purple, pink, or any color. Later, on my Sunshroom, I'm going to add some pink cheek. She's very cute. Keep coloring. You can make a rainbow Sunshroom too. Also, you can make a rainbow Sunshroom, any kind of Sunshroom you like. We colored in the outside of the eyeballs now. Now we outline it. We're going to outline our lines to make it more clear and make it stand out. Now we're done outlining. I'm going to give you a better review. It's like that. You can use pink. Now we draw some cheek. But first we use a black color pencil. Later I'm going to change my eyes a little. It's a bit smiley. Wink. We use pink to color in the cheek. We're done coloring the cheek. And we're done. We use a little bit of brown brown inside the eyeball. I erased one of the eyes because I want to make a wink. You can add some backgrounds if you like. If you think there's too much white space, add something. I'm just going to add something in the Zen garden on a pot, a flower pot. First we'll draw an oval, then we'll draw 2 lines straight down. Make sure you can draw a little moon shape for the highlight. I'm going to color my teapot brown. You can also add some details into the eye. You don't need to make the same eye as mine. You can do different eyes. You don't need to do a wink. You don't need to make... You can make it like real human eye or some cuter eye. Make whatever kind you like. You don't really need to follow me with everything, but the pencil lines. Now we're done with the teapot coloring. Now we're going to add some of the clear lines. Also for the eyes, we're going to color the eyes a bit darker. I got all the pictures, me and my mom's pictures surrounding me. They're all PVZ plants and PVZ zombies. I'm writing the word Sunshroom. I don't think my S is pretty, so I erase it and then write again. You don't need to write this part. You don't need to write. When you think you're finished, you're just finished. That, I'm sure it's going to be pretty. It's going to be nice. I'm writing PVZ. PVZ are the 3 capitals of Plants vs Zombies. They're the capitals. See, plants start with P, so it's P, and VS start with V, so PV, and zombies start with V, so PVZ. I'm going to write more on the other side soon, but you can be done right now. I'm so happy that I get to grow this sunshroom with you. Don't forget to subscribe us below. Click the subscribe button and ring the bell. I'm looking forward to grow with you again next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.